Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to attempt to try and show you how we wash the cars here at Benzine's. This car's got a ceramic coating on it, obviously, you know, IGL gives a paint care guide when we send the customers off with their cars, just showing, you know, tell them how to maintain as best as they can. So today I'm going to attempt to show you that, and probably a little trick or a little shortcut in between as well, because in the paint care guide, which you would have received if you're coming back to this to the channel to just check on how you should maintain your car, it says to use the 2 bucket method. So we're going to show you that today, and then I'm going to probably try and show you I wouldn't say it's a shortcut, it's probably just maybe an alternative, especially if you've got a high pressure hose and a snow foam. They're the most important things, you know, to get the right, how can I say it, the right effect for maintaining. So the 2 bucket method is good if you haven't got a high pressure cleaner. You can still get foam guns for your hose, so that's always an alternative. But generally most people, you know, in the home now have a high pressure. It comes in handy. Use the snow foam gun, pre-soak. So yeah, I'm going to try and do that today. It's, you know, still business hours, so I'm hoping to achieve it without any disruptions and try and get through as quick as possible. Probably leave the wheels for another day just to keep this one sort of short and condensed, and yeah, I'll do my best to show you how it's done. Probably won't be talking as much through it. Probably, yeah, it's more just have a look and, you know, and see how it gets done. Probably see already that, you know, the coating's on there. It's already sort of, you know, beating away the actual foam, which is a good sign. Coating's really strong. Generally with the 2 bucket system, you've got your water, your bucket with your water and your soap, and you've got a clean bucket of water here, and you're sort of, obviously you're washing with one. You're washing with one. And then you're rinsing it in your clean water. We've obviously got drip guards in each bucket too to help. This is good, especially if you don't have a high pressure. You can get your mitt in there, and if there's any sort of dirt or dust or anything that you picked up, you try and get that off. So you're rinsing in the clean water, and then you're going again with your soap, and you're washing again. So that's the traditional 2 bucket system. This is probably a bare minimum that you want to be doing, especially if you've got your coat. This for any type of washing of your car, whether it's coated or not, but specifically, you know, no matter what brand of coating you use, they're typically going to ask you to, when you maintain your car, they would want to do it with a 2 bucket system. So if you don't have the foam cannon, it's probably a good idea to get one, but if not, you're going to try and at least rinse that dirt off or dust or whatever you've got on your car, and then go to your 2 bucket, or like you said, do your foam, your high pressure rinse. You're going to get most of that dirt off, or any of that fly crap stuck on there. It's pretty much going to dissolve and come off in that first high pressure clean. So that leads me to my next sort of tip is, if you've got the foam cannon and the high pressure, you can probably do away with one of the buckets. So maybe probably even just have a clean water bucket. So say we're going to use the clean water, And what we'll do now is we're actually just refoam the car and just wash it as is, and then just washing the mitt as we go. So we'll do that, and yeah, that's what I think that works just a little bit quicker, especially on cars that aren't really that dirty, but I'll show you that now. Obviously I've got the commercial, or the big boy, the biggest one we've got there, but their minis and their buddies just do a fantastic job. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's how we do things here, and that's how we recommend it on our coated cars and just in cars in general. You know, the safest way to wash your car, and if you take a lot more care, obviously washing it, there's obviously less chance and minimise the chance of getting that micro marring and any sort of defects on your paint job. So with the IGL's coating, they also, as a bonus, and what I do in my maintenance details is use an IGL enhancer. If I'm doing maybe a Swiss wax one with the wax, I'll use low to speed. So different products for different cars, and probably go into those sort of things later down the track. But in regards to this car, coated car, that's the way we wash it, and then I'm going to finish off with just a light mist of IGL enhancer, just to give it a sort of sacrificial layer, I suppose, for the coating. And anytime you can put something extra, and I think it's always good. And it's sort of just in case you miss any of the watermarks or any that's dripped on. This is always a good way to finish off and just cover the car. Gives a bit more of a, if the coating's starting to get on the nose, gives a bit more of a slick feel. There you have it. Hope that was helpful. We'll stay tuned, because we'll probably do it on the wheels. And we just pretty much just focus just on the wheels and how we can sort of clean them better, and some of the tips and tricks we use for those, and some cleaners, and so just keep liking, subscribing and sharing, and try and bring some more content like this in the future. Thank you.